Let me so here it is problem number 2. Let's go through the problem first. A solid circular shaft 80 millimeter diameter to be replaced by hollow shaft of external diameter of 100. So two diameters are here, 80 millimeter and 100 millimeter. Determine the internal diameter of hollow shaft if same power is to be transmitted. We have dealt with the power transmission of circular shaft wherever it is solid or hollow. So same power is to be transmitted by both shafts at the same angular velocity and shear stress. Okay. So what we are asking to determine to internal diameter of the hollow shaft, right? So let us solve the problem. As you know, we have to mention the given data first. So what are the data given here? So what are the data given here? That is diameter of solid shaft which we consider as capital D is equal to 80 mm. 80 mm, and external diameter of the hollow shaft which is considered as D1 is equal to 100 mm. Right? Let us take D is the internal diameter. Let us take letter D, internal diameter of hollow shaft, internal diameter, and tau is the shear stress developed in both the shaft. Mind it, tau is common for both the shaft. Tau is shear stress for both the shaft. Shear stress. Oh. Some problem is here. Let me fix it first. So tau is shear stress for both the shaft, right? Shear stress for both the shaft. Now, as we know, power transmission formula of solid circular shaft, that is T is equal to pi by 16 into tau into d cube, right? So from here, from this equation, we can find out the value, that is pi by 16. As tau is not given, so let it be tau into 80 cube, right? Now torque transmission by the hollow shaft, torque transmission by the hollow shaft, which will be defined by T1, that is pi by 16 into tau into d to the power 4 later d to the power 4 divided by caps T is equal to pi by 16 into tau into 100 to the power 4 minus d to the power 4 divided by 100. Let me designate it as equation number 1 and let me designate it equation number 2. Okay. Now mind it, since both torque are equal, therefore equating equation number 1 and 2, what will you have? Just like previous one, pi 16 into tau into 80 q is equal to pi by 16 into tau, not pow, it is pi, value around 3 point something like that. Okay, 100 to the power 4 minus d to the power 4 divided by 100. Now let us simplify it. Pi by 16 into tau, pi by 16 into tau will be cancel it out each other. 80 q will be 100 to the power 4 d to the power 4, 100 right? So from here, if we simplify it further, then what will be the value of d? The value of d to the power 4, first of all, 488 into 10 to the power 3 into 100, right? So let me simplify further. 488 into 10 to the power 5. That's been 4880 into 10 to the power 4. Can you get it? I think you got it. Now d is equal to now d is equal to 8.36 into 10. That is ultimately 83.6 mm. Okay, right? So d is equal to 83.6 mm. Now the next part. So we have come to know about the internal diameter as 83.6 mm. It is very simple and it is very catchy question which may be asked in semester examination or any other competitive examination. So here is the end of this class. We will see you the final with the final numerical from the SAP chapter, and we'll conclude the chapter. Thank you for your attention.